Let's now discuss the kidney channel, the Lu connecting vessel system. First, let's explore its pathway. The kidney Lu connecting channel separates from the kidney primary channel at kidney 4. It forms a three-dimensional reticular network divided into multiple branches and sub-branches of the San Lu, Fu Lu, Sui Lu within the surrounding tissue. Horizontal division run to the inferiorly exteriorly paired bladder primary channel. According to some schools of thought, they travels as a transverse kidney loop connecting vessel to the Yuan source point bladder 64. A longitudinal division follows the kidney primary channel to REN 17, penetrates the thorax, and reaches the spine in the lumbar region. Clinical importance: in its pathology, if there is excess, it will manifest with retention of urine. In deficiency, there will be pain in the lumbar region. And for counterflow chi, there will be restlessness, anxiety, fear, depression, fullness in the chest, and epigastrium. The connecting channel pathway. The kidney connecting channel starts at kidney 4, from where a branch connects with the bladder channel. A branch runs along the main kidney channel to the perineum and ascends through the lumbar spine. The Lu connecting channel separates from the primary at the kidney 4 and connects with bladder 64. A branch follows the kidney channel upward to a point below the perineum, then threads its way through the lumbar vertebrae. Symptoms of the Lu channel excess will be irritability, depression, and uresis. And symptoms of Lu channel deficiency, there will be low back pain.